puppy Carson, but we really have no idea who it belongs to. The little boy said it was his dog, but I'm questioning it at this point because he really seems to like Katie. So.
Yeah. And so, Katie, we're gonna see how you're feeling a little later. But right now, we're just gonna go down to the beach and walk around, and maybe Katie will run into Carson. So, guys, that is what we are doing today. Oh, it's probably one of the bungalows. Okay. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Okay. Water shoes a must, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna lose my shoes here a second.
We met 2 new dogs.
So, hi, Eileen. Hi, Katie. How's everything going here?
Oh, it's going great. We're having a lot of fun already. We just got here this morning, and we are kayaking in the water. And we're really in a one-person kayak, so we keep falling out, but that's part of the fun.
We met 2 new dogs.
We keep falling out, or you keep falling out?
Yeah, and we found a dog, and I named it Carson, but then the little boy who actually owns it told me no, its name is actually Storm.
And then the other one's called Glacier.
No,
Blaze.
and Storm.
Blaze and Storm.
Blaze and Storm.
Uh-huh.
And then there's a third dog. So.
Okay, so here's Eileen and Katie on the kayak. So behind them is the beach bungalows, right, Eileen? Which are being renovated. And ours is a garden bungalow. On the bright side, we can actually see the beach from our garden bungalow, right?
On the right side, I don't know how to do it.
We have the perfect location because from our window we can see the ocean.
Oh, I just stepped on a sea cucumber. Feels like stepping on a rubber hose. All right, look, they're actually on and they haven't fallen off.
For now.
Uh-oh.
Because it's nothing to like. Yeah, maybe the water's too high.
Where are the dogs going? Oh no, are they gonna come back?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so now we're gonna, that was a view of that way, right? So now, Katie, go ahead and start paddling out.
Before I drown. Say goodbye, Max. Say goodbye to the bucket people. I need to go at the back of it. It's too deep.
How deep is it, guys? Are you guys okay there?
I got the back of it. I got the back of it. No.
Oh, I keep stepping on sea cucumbers. Ow! And I stepped on a rock.
Oh, man.
So you're mostly stepping on everything in the whole world?
We got us a convoy going here, folks. We're at about, what would you say, Lena, about 200 feet or no?
Hello.
Hello, there we go. You guys gonna hold on? Okay, hold on if you want to.
I'm holding on.
Okay, we got hitchhikers back here. All right, you hitchhikers, if you're holding on. We're not going too far.
Come on, you're loud.
All right, Katie, try rowing now.
Watch out, there's like 30 rocks behind you.
Ow! 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 A fish attacked me! I was attacked by fish. Oh, that was scary. I don't know.
The fish come over and
It thought I had food or something. It's just like, and I'm going, no.
Storm and Blaze.
We're Storm and Blaze when you need them, right?
I know, right?
Well, we knew that was going to happen. Look, what is that? It's
blue.
something blue.
Might be that starfish. Something like a starfish. I think it's a blue starfish.
Okay, who sees my other flip-flop? All right. Oh, look. You saved our Titanic. Oh, look. Hey, one of your dogs is coming out. Who is that?
That's Blaze.
Blaze, buddy. You've come to save the girls.
The girl. Why does she keep pulling off?
I don't know. Where's my shoe? Oh, look at Blaze. Oh, Blaze.
She can't swim really well.
Oh, she can't? Oh, well, then we better start heading in.
Well,
Oh, you found my shoe. Thank you, Katie.
yeah.
Eileen, are you okay over there? Ah, look, Blaze. Ow.
She can scratch you.
I noticed. It's Blaze. Blaze, go back. You're going to drown. Ow.
She wants it back. She wants
Where's she go now? Oh, there she is. Watch out, she might scratch you now. Be careful. Yep,
Hey.
yep, it's Blaze, huh?
She won't go back in until you go back in.
All right, okay, well, let's push him back in, okay?
Can you go out again? Because I want to go in the back of the...
Oh, you just want to see the girls fall in the water again, don't you?
Yay!
Blaze, the aquatic dog.
It was fishing. It was fishing. I'm not gonna go back.
Oh, careful, don't fall.
I'm not gonna say, look. Look.
Oh my goodness, careful. All right, watch out. Okay, Katie, watch out. They're kind of coming in deep on you. Watch out for Blaze scratches.
Yeah, I'm used to it.